Hello, my name is Anna Vinogradova, and this is FHIR Patient Snapshot Agent. This project was built for the Intersystems AI Agents and FHIR Programming Contest. It implements a smart patient summary generator, an AI agent called inside FHIR interoperability solution. The application retrieves structured FHIR for resources and for a selected patient. So we selected with the patient ID from Intersystems Iris for Health FHIR server. The Python agent does not read local clinical files or query separate databases directly. Instead, Intersystems Iris for Health acts as interoperability layer and source of truth. So in this demo, I'm using patient ID 1. You can change it here, but we can use 1. From my local Intersystems Iris for Health server, the app fetches several FHIR resources. So, okay, let's try. We can get deterministic summary, which is like quite basic. So then we can check the prompt review, so what is used. And we can get the LLM summary for different roles. Okay, let's do it for clinician, for example. So for this patient, the app fetches several resources: patient, condition, medication requests, allergy intolerance, observation, counter, care plan. For this patient, the verified resources are, we'll see it in a minute. Okay, so we have one active problem, 2 medication requests, so 0 allergy intolerance records, 12 recent observations, 5 recent encounters, and 2 care plans. So the patient, so is the patient overview, active problems, and so on, what you can see here. We also have resources that are used, and they are written here. The Python layer extracts and normalizes the clinical context. Observations are grouped into recent vitals. It's normally so it's in ED doctor. You will see in a minute in recent vitals, labs, survey, and social history observations. So the application supports 3 output modes, as you can see here. Yeah, so basically these are vitals, laboratory, survey, social history. So it can generate a deterministic markdown summary without using an LLM. Second, it can build an LLM-ready prompt here, and it can call an OpenAI compatible LLM provider. We use, for the LLM mode, LLM summary mode, this project uses Nebius Token Factory with OpenAI compatible chat completions. So the configured model is Meta Llama 3.370 billion instruct. So I've basically shown you everything. Yeah, so there are several modes, several audience: clinician, doctor, care manager, patient, family caregiver. The roles influence how or what information is being produced and being shown and how it is shown. So if you choose patient, for example, you will get patient-oriented information, so it would address you as you. You are a 71-year-old male. I can show it as well. So let's have a look. We have, as I showed you, the resource review. It's important because the generated summary can be checked against the underlying data. The UI keeps them out of narrative summary because it otherwise is very messy. So they are stored here, but still preserve them in collapsible source review section. So that's what I promised to show. The source data shows that you are a 71-year-old male born on blah blah blah. So this all is listed here. Okay, the project also includes safety constraints. The agent is for summarization only. It is written here. This demo summarizes data only, doesn't diagnose, recommend treatment, or replace clinical judgment. So the LLM prompt explicitly asks the model not to invent clinical follow-up instructions. It doesn't give any unsupported recommendations. Any generated content must be verified against the source. So in short, this patient snapshot agent demonstrates how InterSystems Iris for Health can be used as FHIR interoperability layer, while a Python AI agent turns fragmented structured clinical records into a concise, role-specific, like patient summary. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and hope that I would get nice results from this contest.